won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far.
So, we're about to launch our 3 pigments. Actually got 9 launching, but our first 3. Rose Gold Blitz, amazing warm rose gold colour obviously, and really powdery and shimmery and glittery. And then we've got Heavenly Gold, which is an amazing, bright, really intense shimmer and glitter, yellow gold. And then we've got Crimson Ecstasy, which is amazing for Christmas. And it is a really deep red, shimmery, glittery red. You can mix them with our new fixative, which we're launching as well.
And today we've been on the set of In Your Dreams for the Cloud 9 collection. Fixative, which is here. And Imani applied it. It's brand new. I have to say that it feels so amazing on my skin and on my body, and I feel like sometimes you can wear product and shimmers that can be quite heavy, but this I feel free, I feel fresh.